Bullish Cardano cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.23 and $2.33 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach 95 cents by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 21 cents. Cardano presentation: the digital money market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this high-speed industry is definitely not a simple errand. Consequently, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that assuming that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a diligent undertaking that calls for both persistence and exploration. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's attention on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the digital currency market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing likely dangers. Basic examination: Cardano's unmistakable offer is its irrefutable strength. They aren't intending to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably chipping away at the venture. Because of these critical quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stockpile is set at 45 billion, there are possible benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano is as of now worth 27 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.97% as of now with an exchanging volume of $316,536,447. Cardano is as of now position 7 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $9,584,999,397 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Cardano value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 41 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 38 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 32 cents. Cardano value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 68 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 54 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 60 cents. Cardano value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 95 cents and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 87 cents and a low of 82 cents in 2025. Cardano value expectation 2026. Assuming that Cardano effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, The ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.23, with a base cost of $1.10 and a typical cost of $1.15. Cardano value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.42 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.37 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.51. Cardano value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.70. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.78. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.64. Cardano value expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $1.92 and a yearly cost close above $2.05 in 2029. Cardano value forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.19 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.33, averaging out at $2.25. Cardano value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.68 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.57. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive cryptographic money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 27 cents with a complete market capitalization of $9,584,999,397. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of venture. How high might Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of